how to show notes on Instagram. So first of all, let me show you how it's done by just going ahead to your Instagram, and you're gonna swipe right or click the messages at the top right. Okay, you will see right here your profile icon and notes, and you're gonna start typing your notes and sharing it with others. So how do I actually have access to it? So first of all, what you're gonna do is you're gonna just go back to your screen, and we're gonna go ahead to App Store. So we're gonna search for something like Insta, all right? And it's fair to say that sometimes you didn't get this feature because you haven't updated Instagram to the last version. So make sure that you updated the app to the last version so you can get all the new features. And after you update it, you gotta just go and open Instagram, and it's gonna direct you to the DMs, and you will see the note. But if that didn't work out, what you're gonna do next, let me go back right here, and we're gonna go ahead to our profile icon, all right? And we're gonna just click at the top right, all right, the three lines, and I'm gonna go ahead to my settings. I'm gonna go next to my account, and you're gonna scroll a little bit down until you see switch account type. So I'm gonna just switch right here. I'm gonna switch it to a business account, and you gotta just follow the steps, and the final thing you will see right here, this is your professional dashboard. So I'm gonna just go back to my home screen. I'm gonna just click the messages at the top right, and you will see the notes right here. But if that didn't work out, what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go back to your screen right here, and I'm gonna go ahead to my profile icon. I'm gonna click the three lines at the top right, going ahead to my settings. I'm gonna scroll a little bit down until I find the help, all right? And I'm gonna go ahead to report a problem and continue without shaking, all right? Report the problem, and here include and continue if you want to include screenshot, video recording, whatever. You're gonna just include it. And after we reported about this problem and telling them that we didn't have the note on our Instagram, even though we did all the steps, you're gonna just send it to them, and you're gonna wait 24 to 48 hours until they respond to you. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.